Keisha, oh you mean say you're Jamaican and you can't fry dumpling? Come let me show you how to fry these nice fluffy fried dumpling. I had no idea what to make for dinner, and then I asked my husband, what you want to eat? He said some fried dumpling and some saltfish. So this was it. To a bowl, you're going to add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons baking powder, and then you're going to add some butter. I didn't measure the butter. I just get a ball's eye and a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to mix that all up until it nicely combine, and then when you add that butter, then you want to use your fork or your finger and you're just going to rub it in, like breadcrumbs, until it look a little bit like breadcrumbs. Now after this is done, if you don't want the dumpling get too soft and you feel say you're going to spoil it, just tip your water a little bit at a time. For me can do this with my eye closed. So this is not a problem, but just tip it little by little. And if it get too soft, no worry, in a spoil, just add a little bit more flour to it, right? And yeah, me bougie, me use spoon to start off my fried dumpling, my dough, and then I go in with my hands to get that flour combined properly. So I put in all the work to knead it and knead it just like that. Me know say you can do this, man. Just try it. Try a thing and more you tell me how it come out after you try this one, right? Easy dumpling recipe. After that is done, then you just want to get a damp paper towel or a damp tablecloth. Clean, make sure say clean, yeah. And then you cover it and you're going to let it rest for a few minutes. Now, I'll be doing saltfish with this, and if you want to see that other recipe, make sure say you follow, because the video would be too long if me show you how to cook the saltfish. Anyhow, it has been a few minutes, maybe half an hour, so the flour rests. Now, I'm just going to divide it into small section. You decide how big you want your dumpling. This size was adequate for me, so pinch it, roll it, and then let it rest again a little bit. Roll them again and you make a dent in the middle. Make sure your oil is hot. I put that little beanie piece of flour in the oil just to test it out. And turn on the stove low, because you know why your dumpling them burn up, right? And the dumplings are going to rise. You see, like how mine rise, and that nice golden color. That's what you want. All your dumpling for look. Now tell me how much of these dumplings you not eat, and tell me what is your best side dish to go with your fried dumpling. And also I want to know if you only eat like certain foods for dinner, because for me, I will eat fried dumplings for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. As I said, this was our dinner on a weekday, and it's nice to see with the saltfish. Anyhow, let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Bye.